Welcome to We Learn, Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 1 of Life Skills, and the topic is Negotiation and Influencing Skills. The topics covered are Introduction, Core Skills under Influencing Skills, Communication and Logical Reasoning, Assertiveness Skills, Interpersonal Skills, Interactional Skills, Importance, Questions and Conclusion. Introduction. Negotiation and influencing are essential skills critical for business and personal success. Yet in many ways, these skills are often treated as assumed life skills that will be picked up along the way as people progress in their career. Slowly and steadily, when people progress in their career, when they move on, they gain negotiation, means how to put forward their views, how to put forward their ideas convincingly so that the other party or the other person gets influenced and convinced to the other person. Negotiation is a dialogue between two or more people or parties intended to reach an understanding, resolve point of differences, or gain advantage and outcome of dialogue, to produce an agreement upon courses of action, to bargain for individual or collective advantage, to craft outcomes to satisfy various interests of two people, parties involved in negotiation process. So basically, it is a communication, it is a dialogue between two or more parties or people concerned to resolve their points of difference or to discuss certain points where the different points of opinion exist, to come to a collective advantage and to come to a consensus opinion or an outcome to satisfy different interests, so that it becomes easy for both the parties or for both the people to come to a single dialogue or a conclusion. Core skills under influencing skills. Communication and logical reasoning. Logical reasoning, analyzing and displaying data visually, finding creative alternatives, probing, speaking conversationally, conveying energy and enthusiasm, and listening. So communication and logical reasoning in this analyzing, probing, speaking, conveying your energy, conveying your enthusiasm, listening skills come. What is assertiveness skills? Asserting means putting forward your own point of view in a convincing manner and in a way which is understandable by the other people. It means persisting, behaving self-confidently, behaving authoritatively, using a compelling tone of voice, using authority without appearing heavy-handed. It means you're using authority, you're using your compelling tone of voice, but you're not sounding heavy-handed or you're not sounding arrogant with it. Interpersonal skills. It means being friendly and sociable with strangers or showing genuine interest in others, having insight into what others value, being sensitive to others' feelings, building a rapport and trust, building close relationships, supporting and encouraging others. It means how much you are comfortable with people along, how friendly you are with people, how good you are with forming relationships with people. When you interact with people, how are your skills? How are you able to gel with people? Are you able to influence them? Are you able to gel with them? Or you're able to form friendly relationships with them? So all your skills basically dealing with people come here. Interaction skills, convincing people to help you, influencing skills, resolving conflicts and disagreements among others, building consensus, taking the initiative to show others how to do the things. So basically building consensus or building peace and taking the initiative to show others how to do the things means taking participation, taking initiative to tell people to go to the right path, and resolving conflicts and points of disagreements wherever they are. Interaction skills. It means bargaining or negotiating. Willingness to ask others for favors. It means how well you're interacting with people so that people are able to help you and you are able to help them too. Willingness to do favors for others. Willingness to ask others for favors, and at the same time, or when others require you to do favors, that how much you are willingness, how you have the willingness to do favors for them. Importance of negotiation and influencing skills. Persuading, influencing, negotiating, backing up points with logic, all these skills come under influencing skills. Persuading, developing a line of reasoned argument, means you're giving reasoned arguments and opinions to support your point. Tactfully challenging the views expressed by others you disagree with, means in a manner which is not hurtful to the other person. Negotiating, listening to the needs of the other party, backing up points with logic, using positive language as well as body language, getting an agreement acceptable to both the sides. It means creating a win-win situation where both the sides are at trust. Emphasizing the positive aspects of your argument, means you are stating your argument but with positive points. Knowing when to compromise, making concessions for agreement, getting your points across not in an aggressive manner but in a calm and assertive manner. Handling objections to your arguments too. When people put objections to your arguments, how well do you handle them? Identifying a common ground. Using open, encouraging body language. So your body language has to be positive too. When you're dealing with people, your body language comes in the front. So all these skills come under the influencing skills. Now, how good are you with your negotiation and influencing skills? Make a chart of the skills present in you and the skills absent in you, which you should have. Thank you. Happy learning, we learning.